Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and jojoba oil mask for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Jojoba oil is a natural wax ester that can act as a viable substitute for sebum. This makes it good for dry hair. It is often used in hair scalp treatment as it has good anti-inflammatory properties. It is also used in hair restorative treatments. It also helps remove excessive sebum buildup and dirt that clog pores on the scalp. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons castor oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil. Method: mix the oil in a container and shake well. Part your hair and apply the mixture directly to your scalp. Ensure that you cover all sections. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure proper blood circulation in the scalp. Wash your face after an hour with some shampoo and warm water. Use this oil twice to thrice a week for longer and healthier hair. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.